Hi, I'm Jacqueline. I've been with the Trafalgar group for over 14 years now. work within the TAccess division and I'm a system specialist. I deal with all access panels, whether they're fire rated, non-rated, and specialising in bespoke custom access panels. The advantages of manufacturing locally allows us to make bespoke access panels, so we can customise them to your requirements, whether that's through custom sizing, lock changes, or any specific bespoke panels that they need. We can do that for them. Trafalgar is a brand you can rely upon because we've been around for 80+ years. We can control the quality of our access panels because they're made locally. They're not being shipped from overseas, and we take pride in that. If you see an access panel on site with the Trafalgar Access logo, you know that it's manufactured right here in Australia to a high standard. The advantages of dealing with Trafalgar is you can speak to a system specialist like myself, and I will work with you and our internal stakeholders on customising your access panel to meet your specific requirements. We pride ourselves on being able to customise and make bespoke panels so we can meet your requirements on site. And this is all done within short lead times. Usually within about 2 weeks, 7 to 10 working days, we can turn your custom access panels around. It's having the confidence knowing that you're buying a well-respected long-term brand that's made in Australia. These are things that you won't get easily if you're dealing with somebody from overseas. So always support Australia, support jobs here and the economy, and buy Trafalgar.